Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be sharing with you the 1 Ton in a Million stationery shop journaling bundle that was part of the Dim Sum Town collection. This was definitely one of my favorite shops from the entire collection. After all, I am a stationery lover. If you have any questions about any of the items, feel free to leave a comment down below. Otherwise, please enjoy this stationery unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this stationery unboxing. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to also subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, goodbye.